Number 6, simplify. 2 minus 11i minus 6 minus 10i. We are subtracting a complex number from another complex number. So we need to get rid of parentheses first. There is nothing to distribute here. So just 2 minus 11i. The minus means in fact negative 1. So we need to distribute negative 1. Negative 1 times 6, negative 6. Negative 1 times 10i, negative times negative, positive 10i. Now we combine the like terms. 2 minus 6, 2 minus 6, that's negative 4. Negative 11i plus 10i. Negative 11i, negative 11 plus 10, so negative 1i, just I, 1i. Okay. Number 7, 8i times quantity 6 minus 9i. So basically we just distribute 8i. So 8 times 6, 48i, minus 8i times 9i. 8 times 9, 72. I times I squared. Let's simplify further because we know I square is negative 1. So this is 72 times I square is negative 1. So 48i and minus and negative. When we multiply minus times negative, that's positive. 72 times 1, 72. And we need to put this into the standard form. So the real part 72 first plus 48i. Number 8, find g times g bar if g is given by 4 minus 7i. So g times g bar will be, g is given is a times, nothing, there is no sign, means sign. G is given by 4 minus 7i times g bar. Find the conjugate of this complex number, which is 4 plus 7i. We basically change this middle sign. 4 minus 7i, its conjugate is 4 plus 7i. Now we need to multiply, just FOIL, distribute. 4 to 4 and 7i, negative 7i to 4 and 7i. So we get 4 times 4, 16. 4 times 7i, 4 times 7, 28i, minus 7 times 4, 7i times 4, minus 28i, minus plus minus 7 times 7, 49i squared. Okay. In the middle we have a cancellation, positive 28i, negative 28i, and what we're gonna get here is I square is negative 1. Okay, so negative 49 times negative 1. Negative 49 times negative 1, like here. So negative 49 times negative 1. Negative, negative, positive 49. So this term is in fact positive 49 and we have 16. So we just add, we get 9, 6, 15, 5, 6, so 65. Final. Let's go down to number 9. We need to divide and write this this fraction in the standard form of a complex number, a plus bi. So whenever we have a fraction, to get rid of I from the bottom, we multiply top and bottom by the conjugate of bottom. 3 minus I, its conjugate is 3 plus I. Same thing on the bottom, 3 plus I. Now we multiply top, just FOIL, multiply means 5 times 3, 5 times I, 4i times 3, 4i times I, same thing on the bottom. Okay, just FOIL, multiply. On the top, 5 times 3, 15, 5 times I, 5i, 4i times 3, 12i, 4i times I, 4i squared. On the bottom, same thing, just FOIL, multiply, distribute. 3 times 3, 9, 3 times I, positive 3i, negative I times 3, negative 3i, negative I times I, negative I square. That is on the top. Let's simplify. 4 times I square. I square is negative 1. So this term is in fact 4 times negative 1, negative 4. So 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4, that's 11, plus 5i plus 12i. So we can add these two numbers. 12 plus 5, 17i, over positive 3i, negative 3i cancel. And how about this term? Negative 1 times I square is negative 1. Negative of negative 1. So this is positive 1. 9 plus 1, 10. Now we need to put this into the standard form. So we separate into two fractions. So we get 11 over 10 plus 17 over 10i. 17i over 10, but we write in this way, a plus bi form. Final.